The East Kingston police have launched a manhunt for a group of gunmen who opened fire on a bus transporting call center workers along Ellison Road yesterday morning. The driver and one of the call center employees were shot in the attack. Reports indicate that shortly after 2 a.m., workers of a call center were being transported home in a coaster minibus when a group of heavily armed men signaled the driver to stop along Upper Ellison Road. The driver, on seeing the men, started to reverse the vehicle. The men then proceeded to open fire on the bus, hitting the driver in the head, causing him to lose control of the vehicle, which ran into a ditch. One of the passengers in the bus was also shot in the face. The gunmen then proceeded to rob the passengers. Now, a police source says during the robbery, a passenger held on to one of the gunmen in an attempt to subdue him. The men, while fleeing the scene, fired several shots in the bus, hitting one of their own. The gunmen attempted to take their injured crony to hospital, but on realizing that he may have already died, aborted that move and left his body somewhere in the community.